Hi there, I'm Doug. Welcome to my messy garage. Today we're going to be installing a GPS chart plotter on a 2011 Sea Doo RXT X260. There's lots of information out there on installing chart plotters and GPSs on the 2017 and newer. There's a factory bracket available for it, but there's not a whole lot of information out there on how to install one on an older machine from 2007 to 2016. Follow along and I'll show you what I did to get it working on my machine. As you can see, I had to drill a hole offset from the corner because the spacing of these two holes here are not equal to the full spacing of that. Also, the hole is not, or the holes are not perpendicular to the top surface, so I can't just clamp it down to the top. It has to sit at a bit of an angle. What I found works well is to take a stack of several washers. Yes, I know these are not stainless. Unfortunately, the stainless ones that I ordered are too big, so we'll have to replace these again in future time. Make up a stack of washers that go on the bolt. And make it so that it fits snugly. Now I think we can take one washer out of each side. So there's the ball, nice and solidly mounted. Take the chart plotter. I find it works best to swing it towards the center so that it doesn't force the handlebar all the way to the side constantly. You can see it does put a little bit of weight on the side of the handlebar, but it's not too bad. I don't really notice it when I'm riding. For installation of the cable, pull the cable up through one of the vents, down along the side of the instrument pod, and it plugs in. The cover goes on over that to hold the cable in place. Unfortunately, it's in the house at the moment, so we won't worry about it. So how I installed the cabling for this, you can see I go down through the vent. Over on the side here, I've drilled a small hole, just big enough for the wire to go through, for the cable to come through the vent, side of the vent. Run it down to a marine-styled fuse box here on the right-hand side, and then I have cable runs all the way down the right side of the unit to the rear where the battery is located. I'll take you back there and show you the connection. So you should always put a fuse as close as you can to your power source. So I have a fuse here connected to the positive terminal, negative lead connected here, and the wire runs up, tucked up and tie wrapped out of the way so that it doesn't get hung up on anything inside the jet ski. Now, unfortunately, due to the sun, I don't know how much we're going to be able to see at the screen here. We'll turn this on. And to remove, you pull out the plug, place the rubber cap, back on the cable, and I tuck it down into the center of the handlebars. This always works much better with two hands. And there we go. Now the more astute of you would have noticed a camera mount that I have here on another ram ball. This is a style that's designed for motorcycle. Comes with a M8 or M10 bolt that goes down into the handlebar assembly with that through bolts through the 1-inch ram ball. I have the adventure case for the Insta360 camera that I'm using to record this, and use that to record some interesting footage. Surprisingly, even in rough water, the imagery or the picture turns out very smooth. I'll throw a little clip in from my last ride at the end of this video, and you can see it was a pretty rough day that day, but you sure can't tell by the bounciness in the video. Anyways, please like and subscribe, just getting this channel going, and I appreciate the support, and everybody have a good day. Thanks for watching.